All right, got a sweet DIY video for you if you have a minivan or SUV or maybe any car with kind of an extended upper part and you need more room. For example, we're going on a road trip, look at all of our junk, all of our gear, and I needed a place to conveniently store. By the way, here's where I keep all my emergency stuff: water, jumper cables, and tire air inflator. But we've got a bungee system kind of securing everything down. But I need a place for shelves, so to speak. What does that mean? Well, check out what I have done. I basically am storing, I need a place to put my oars for my inflatable kayak that I recently purchased. So where are they? Do you see them anywhere? Yes, we even have our sweet toilet. Aha, check that out. So we're going to be showing you how I did this. You can see I've got a tie down going from the left to the right oh crap handle there in the back seat, serving as kind of one of the upper shelves, so to speak. And you could certainly do another one right there if you've got another set of oh crap handles kind of in the second row of your vehicle. But check this out. I basically created a platform for me to put in my oars, and you know, it's not perfect. You got to kind of move it around a little bit. There we go. Got some clearance. So it's got a nice place to rest and push it all the way to the side. And then I can take some smaller bungee cords and attach the ends of the oars to the second row oh crap handles above the seats. So that would be an idea for you. Obviously, when you're transporting things on this, if you decide to do something like this, you should make sure it's very secure. You don't want it popping out. Make sure it's not too heavy. You don't want it falling down on anybody. That's obviously up to you to test out and whatnot before you venture out on a road trip. Also, if you brake really hard, you don't want it, you know, going forward and hitting you in the back of the head, right? But in this particular case, I am confident that my situation is very, very secure. You could even use something like this instead of bungee cords, these little twisty things that are much more convenient and easy. And I'll put links down below as always. So